Okay, this is Sudan Rana. Now I'm your English teacher. Now I'm going to take your level test exam. Okay. Okay. First of all, how may I call you?
My name is Bajid Al Samir. You may call me Samir.
Okay. Samir. Where are you from?
I'm from Ullapara.
Okay. Right now, where do you live?
I live at Borpul in Shirazganj.
Okay. How many members are there in your family?
There are 5 members in my family.
Who are they?
They are my mother, my father, my elder sister, my elder brother, and me.
Okay. Samir, what do you do?
I'm a student.
Okay. Why do you study?
I study at BL Government High School, class 7.
Okay. Do you study online?
No,
Why?
I study because my father don't permit me.
Do you take tea every morning?
Of course, I take tea every morning.
Okay. Do you think take tea every morning is good for health?
Yes, take tea every morning. Take tea is good for health. It gives it gives us freshness.
Okay. Who do you like the most in your family?
I like all of my family members. Among them, I love my mother most.
Okay. Do you like music?
Of course, I like music sometimes
Okay. Why do you like music?
because it gives me freshness.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening.
Okay. What did he want to you?
He wanted a cup of coffee to me
Okay.
every day.
Okay. What does she like to cook most of the time?
She likes to cook fish and meat.
Okay. Do you like eating biryani?
Yes, I like to eat biryani.
What type of biryani do you like?
I like korma biryani.
Okay. And end of the time, and what's your future plan?
I want to be a foreign caterer in my future
Why?
because my father want me
Because my father wants me
that
to be a
to be
foreign
a
caterer.
foreign caterer.
Okay, that's all for today. Now you may leave.